Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix Twitter age lockout. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve the problem of age lockout, you just simply have to open your Twitter application. But before doing that, let's learn about why do you get age lockout into your Twitter. Now, according to Twitter, you must have to be 13 years or older in order to use the Twitter. But if you are below age of 13 or you have provided some wrong informations, in this case you can get the age lockout into your Twitter. Now in order to solve that, you just simply have to go into this help center, and from the help center you will get this search button into the top right. Click into that and then search for age lock into there, and after searching you will get this about potential consent on X option. Click into that and you can pause and read all this about the age lockout or consent on Twitter. Just simply open this form and fill the form and submit it. And after doing this, Twitter will check and verify your request and then proceed further. By following these very easy steps, you can easily fix the age lockout into your Twitter. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.